there, business leaders! Are you ready to revolutionize your OKRs? Today, I'm going to show you how to align your organization's objectives without relying on the traditional cascading approach. Let's jump in. First up, adopt a top-level vision, also known as the North Star approach. Define a clear, inspiring, company-wide objective that serves as a guiding principle for all teams. Think big. For example, if your North Star is become the leader in sustainable fashion by 2026, every department should independently define their OKRs based on how they contribute to this ambitious goal. Next, let's talk about creating cross-functional OKRs. Encourage departments to collaborate on joint OKRs. This breaks down silos and fosters teamwork. Host quarterly cross-functional OKR workshops to align objectives and discuss interdependencies. Picture your marketing and sales teams working together to increase brand awareness by 25% through joint digital and offline strategies. Now that's powerful. Now introduce OKR alignment workshops. Regular workshops before each OKR cycle can bring leaders and team members together. Discuss how your OKRs align with company priorities and with each other. This shared understanding avoids silos and promotes collaboration. Don't forget about horizontal transparency. Use shared OKR dashboards with tools like flowyteam.com or okre.io. Full visibility into other teams' OKRs promotes alignment and makes collaboration more fluid. Hold monthly or quarterly company-wide OKR check-ins to ensure everyone is on track. Focus on company-wide key results. Anchor KRs to the company's biggest priorities. This creates horizontal alignment and ensures shared outcomes. If your objective is increased customer satisfaction, both product and customer support teams should track metrics that link to this goal. Lastly, encourage autonomous but aligned teams. Empower teams to set their own OKRs, connected to the broader company mission. Use continuous feedback sessions to ensure alignment with overarching goals. And remember, leadership should set broad themes, not specific tasks. Aligning OKRs without cascading down means shifting to a culture of strategic collaboration and transparency. By creating alignment through shared objectives and open communication, your teams can stay connected to the broader mission while driving their own results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow business leaders.